everyone, this is Jess, and this is part 6 of my mini business series, and today we're going to talk about monetization. So this is where you have already got your business idea, you've already built your following, and now you're ready to monetize. So that on various platforms that you're on, like for example on Facebook, where they have the reels, as of right now, you need 1,000 followers for 60 days. In Australia anyways, in order to get monetized, and you have to meet a variety of different requirements on different platforms to monetize on them. And there's different ways that you can be monetized, whether that be through ad revenue or through a membership that you create, or perhaps even an e-commerce product that you promote, or even promoting Amazon products through affiliate links or different programs or things like that, or you can make your own program. There's a lot of different ways that you can monetize yourself depending upon what it is exactly that you want to do. An important point to remember is that when you are going to monetize yourself, that you need to be registered as a business in your country and in your state. It is tempting to just go ahead and start making money, but you need to make sure that you register yourself as a business and you tick all your boxes tax-wise and things like that, regardless of where you are in the world. You just don't want to get really big and then run into trouble down the road. So if you wanted to, let's say you've gained your following now and you're ready to monetize yourself, one of the easiest ways that you can do this is creating like a membership program or having one-off events, whether that be in person or virtual, or you create a product for yourself. There's lots of different ways that you can think about how you can monetize yourself, and really there isn't really a right way or a wrong way. It's simply whatever you choose to do. So don't be afraid to just go and try something and then see how it goes for you. You may want to try something different later on, and you can always pivot and try something new. So never be afraid to just try it and then see how it goes. But when you have a following already made, it's a lot easier to measure results than if you were just to launch a program you made and there's no one there watching you and nobody knows who you are. That's really, really difficult and not recommended. So make sure that you just gain your following so you have someone to promote whatever it is that you choose to monetize to, that there's already people who know, like, and trust you, and you're ready to go. So I hope this mini business series was helpful for you. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and take care on your business adventures. Just keep trying different things and see how you go. Till next time, bye.